Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will write a Python code to remember the username using JSON in. First, we are going to import a JSON. And this script will load the username if it has been stored previously. Otherwise, we will prompt for the username and store it. So first I'm going to surround this with a try and accept block here. And we will have a file name. This will be set to user.json. And now we have our try block. Here we are going to open the file with open the file name as f, and we are going to load the username from our file if we already have stored that username. This will be user JSON dot load from our file. And then we have accept for exception, except file not found error if we cannot find the file. And then we are going to create the new file and add it to the username. So we need to prompt the user input, please enter your name. Then we are going to write to file, open file in our write mode as f, and we are going to use JSON dump, JSON.dump user and the file. This will write the user to our file. And we can write some message that we will remember you. Print we will remember you. And here will be our user. Else we are just going to, if we already have that user in our file, we are going to do else print welcome back, and over here the user. They should be inside. And this is our file name. And after we run our Python script, we need to enter the name if we are using for the first time. And here I'm going to enter Tom, and we get the message, we will remember you, Tom. I will run the script again, and now it says welcome back, Tom. So this way we can remember the user. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.